It's Cameron Stevenson, and it is truly, truly an unbelievable pleasure and blessing. I have the opportunity of hanging out at the SCLC National Foundation building on Arvin Avenue. And I gotta tell you, as a kid, I grew up and all I knew all my life were the greatness of people like Dr. King, Dr. Abernathy, Andy Young. Those were the guys, when I was growing up, they were my heroes. See, my dad didn't believe in baseball and athletes and all that kind of stuff. In order to be respected and to be acknowledged, you had to be either a minister or you had to be a civil rights leader, or every now and then he smiled favorably upon lawyers. So today, it is truly a blessing to be here. As we get ready for Break the Silence, let's get tested, the biggest block party of significance that ever hit Georgia. Where? It's going to be in Underground Atlanta. That address, 50 Upper Alabama Street, June 27th. And it'll be from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to tell everybody from 2 to 102. The only place to be this Saturday is at Underground Atlanta. Why? Because we're going to have a block party like no other, and it's going to be the blessing of a lifetime. Now, I've got to be really, really excited. Sometimes I get lost for words when I get next to this lady. She is so awesome. So, without further ado, I'm going to allow her to introduce herself, tell you who she is, and make sure you call a friend and tell them to tune in. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm just wonderful, and I'd like for you to understand that this is Bernice Frazier. I'm the Executive Director of the Southern Christian Leadership Foundation, the sister organization to the SCLC, and we're sponsoring the great block party that we're going to have. It's not only a block party to come out and have fun, but it's a block party for us to learn as black people about our health. And our main initiative is HIV testing, because this is National HIV Testing Day on the 27th, and we're going to have fun, food, giveaways, and all you have to do is come out and be a part. And we're going to have free testing. You don't have to pay one dime, and you'll find out your status within 30 minutes.
You know, it's real important that we focus on something positive, because, you know, we like to party, all right? When you're talking about a block party, it don't matter. We're going to show up and show out. But we want people to understand that there is a very, very important significance behind the concept of this. And, you know, not only that, Miss Bernice, when I come in, I look at this building, when I look at the history, when I look at all you all are giving back to our community, it is just unexplainable why we're not lined up from here to 285 today. So I want you to, one more time, let everybody know that I'm hooking them up. I'm putting everybody in Georgia on my VIP list, which means it's free. So all they got to do is show up and show out.
That's all you have to do, show up and show out. And we're going to borrow one of the many great disc jockeys that's out there. We're going to be partying for a purpose.
Right.
We're going to party for a purpose this weekend. And we're going to have some great hip-hop artists. We got Misbehaving coming, Mr. J Verse, and we even have a new and upcoming group that's coming in from Savannah, Georgia, that has written some rap songs just for us. So we're excited about that, and we've got local talent. You have to come out and see. You have to come out and be a part. We're starting at 11 a.m. on time, promptly, and we're going to go to 4, partying hard the whole day.
Hey, listen, I talked to Sonny Perdue. I called Uncle Sonny early, and he told me to tell you that officially Saturday, the city is on shutdown. The only thing being allowed to happen will be this event. So whatever you plan on doing, if you don't plan on coming to the block party, you might as well stay in the house, because it will be a wrap. It's the hottest thing and the only thing going on. And remember, each and every day we talk about being a blessing to somebody besides yourself. So call up a friend, tell them, hey, listen, I got some place I'm going to take you to Saturday. It's going to be nice. It's going to be free food, and it's going to be some unbelievable entertainment. Hey, listen, we're going to be here live until 1 o'clock talking about the only event, the only thing worth coming out to for Saturday. It's Dr. Cameron Stevenson. We call it Something You Should Know. And oh, by the way, it's the hottest thing in radio. This is AM 1570 WIGO, and we are the light of the world.